In this problem, the 8th grade class at Lincoln Middle School has 93 students. Each student takes a math class, or a foreign language class, or both. There are 70 8th graders taking a math class, and there are 54 8th graders taking a foreign language class. How many 8th graders take only a math class and not a foreign language class? This problem is a typical application of a Venn diagram because we have a set of total 93 students, right? And we know that some are taking one class, some are taking the other class. And the question is also about the number of students that are taking one class, not the other, right? So if we draw this Venn diagram, we will have this one, right? Suppose this is the number of students that take a math class. And let's assume this is the number of students that take a foreign language class. So we'll just call that a language, right? And because of this, because we know the number of students taking math class is 70, and the number of students taking a foreign language class is 54. If you add up these two numbers, we'll get 124. So this is certainly greater than the total number of students, 93. That's why we draw these two sets with an intersection, right? This is the intersection for the students that are taking both classes. And what is that number? That number equals 124, that's this number, right? Minus 93. Because in this 124, you count this common shaded area twice. And when you minus 93, that is just the total number of students once for each. Therefore, this difference equals to the number of students that's taking both classes, which is 31. And this is 31. And now let's look at this question. The question is about the number of students that are taking only a math class and not the foreign language class, which means we are asked about this part. I'll use a different color. We are asked about this part, right? And that's not hard to compute. We know the total math. What's the total number of students that are taking at least one math class? That's 70, right? So this equals 70. Therefore, the 70 subtract this 31. That is the number of students that are taking the math class only, which equals 39. Our answer is D. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe the channel. If you have questions, please leave a comment.